Hi there, welcome. Today we've got an unboxing video for you. Now this kit is from this lovely lady here, Resin Jewels. She also does these rather lovely spades, which are great for mixing in micas and glitters, or putting them in anyway. So without further ado, let's have a look. Here we go. Look at this. Now I must admit we've had a little sneak peek at this already, but it is called the Jellyfish Kit. It's very, very limited edition. I'm not sure by the time this video goes out if they'll still be available, but we decided to buy one. Now, first up, this is the practical element of it. So we've got in this lovely little container here, this all came with the kit. I think the only thing that she wasn't supplied was the resin, which, you know, is standard. We've got these lovely little paper cups. Now, I think, can't remember if I counted them or not. I think there were 8. But they're great if you want to make up small amounts of resin, mix up different colours of micas and so on. I think there might be 8 there. Yeah. But they're fantastic. So you can use those for your, smaller amounts of resin, or for paint pouring, or to put glue in. Whatever project you're doing, I'm sure you'll find those useful. There are also 2 of these, which are calibrated cups. So you've got the mils on one side, and I think there might be fluid ounces on them as well. So if you're doing 1-to-1 mixing ratios with resin, then, you know, you can mix up 50 mils and then another 50 mils, part A, part B. Also got 2 of these lovely nice sort of medium-sized wooden stir sticks. Really good quality. And then we've got these. Now, I'm never really sure what the proper name is for these, but they're great for putting wall plaques or wall decor art that you make onto the wall without having to use nails or screws or picture hooks, that sort of thing. And then, of course, we've got some lovely blue gloves. So some nice protective gloves for you to wear, because of course whenever you use resin, use our mica powders, glitters, anything like that, glues, make sure that you're wearing the correct PPE. In here there are 2 pairs of these blue latex gloves. Great. So that's the practical element bit of it. As you can see, I'm wearing some purple gloves. There's a good reason for that. And you'll see why shortly. Now, also in this kit, let me see, there is some of this. Now, I want to call this Unicorn's Mane, but I realise if I say that, some people might be a bit upset if any unicorns were harmed obtaining it. So we'll get back into the world of real life, Laura, and say that it's just like very fine, thin holographic strips of film or paper. Looks a little film or foil or something. Looks a little bit like that stuff called, is it called lametta, which some people decorate their Christmas trees with. And here we go. We've got some more in deeper, darker colours. You've got reds, greens, purples, blues, silvers in that one. In the first one, it was more whites and Aurora Borealis sort of flicks and hints of colours. In this one, it's a lot more, you know, 80s pop or disco. A bright mix of neon and fluorescent like colours. So I'm just going to get this one out and show you. There's a lot of it here as well. Look at that. So it's a similar construction, same sort of thing as what we showed you just now, just a different colourway. But look at that. Lovely. Beautiful colours. Very, very nice. Everything that's supplied as well comes really well packaged. Very straightforward and easy to use. So thumbs up for those. And here we go. A bit more of the practical element side of things. You are supplied with a very nice pale pink, I want to say spatula stirrer. Now, we'd use this for mixing paint or mixing resin, depending on what craft you're doing. But with this one, we'd use it for mixing in your part A and part B of your resin. And it cleans up really well. It's a silicone one. Also in the kit, now I don't know if this is picking up very well, but there's this lovely little round container. It reminds me of a ship's wheel, actually, this does. You know, old style pirate ship wheel. And It's got lots of lovely little golden coloured embellishments. Now I'm going to call them embellishments. To me, some of them are in the shapes of shells. Oh, that picks up quite well actually on camera. Beautiful, beautiful little shells and other lovely little things that you can put in your resin. Gorgeous bits of decoration. So there's some starfish there. I can see some scallop shells and some other gorgeous little things. I mean, if you were doing a treasure chest, this would be very nice to decorate it with. Very nice. So plenty in there. And oh my God, da 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 da, glitter. This is a limited edition special mix glitter, if I remember rightly. And here you can see me struggling to open the packet with my gloves on. But as I said, all comes in this lovely pink holographic foil packaging. And look, I'm going to use my spade. So here's the spade. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. So many pops of colour in there. Silver, the predominant colour, I would have said. I can see lavenders, pinks, violets, greens. Absolutely beautiful. Really gorgeous. I love using the spade to do this with glitter. Love it, love it, love it. There we go. Just shaking that off of there. Look at that, still on the spade. And then we're just going to reseal it. Lovely. Look at that bag. The way it, shimmers. Very nice. Let's see what else we've got. Now, oh my gosh. Black, real jet dense black mica powder. And yes, everybody, this is why I'm wearing the gloves. Not so that I can have trouble opening up the packaging, which is very good, very secure packaging, which is great when it comes to mica powders and glitters. No, it is so that I don't get any on my skin. So we're just, because then I'll put mica powder everywhere. We'll have it trailing all through the house, all over my face, So I promise you, I will get into this eventually. Oh, look, there we go. Light bulb moment, Laura. Use a stir stick. So there we go. You just eventually pull this apart at the top. That was very stiff. Go on, you can do it. There we go. And we're into it now. So here we go. I'm just going to show you what it's like. Look at how deeply pigmented that is. I'm just put it on the stick and then I'm shaking it off. Look at that. And then I'm just putting a little bit on my glove so you can just see. I'm just going to rub it a bit. Look at that. Now it does with all black micas. I tend to find they go lighter. They're less densely pigmented once you've mixed them in or once you've sort of brushed them over the surface of a mould. They're more like gunmetal grey colour. But that one actually looked pretty deeply black, if that makes sense. So we'll see when we come to use it, because myself, Lottie Jasmine Designs are actually going to take part in a non-recorded, non-videoed, non-televised one-to-one instruction on how to use this kit with Jules from Resin Jules. It's really excited, looking forward to that. But what we'll do, we can't televise that. Look at this deep, deep purple colour. Oh my goodness me. Stunning with a capital S. It is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. But what we will do is we'll show you what we made after we've had our one-to-one session with Jules. So excited, looking forward to that. Which we'll show you that. We'll show you what we made, and then what we'll do is we'll go into a video where we will make a jellyfish, but an alternative version. There we go. How's that? So here we go. Look at this blue. It's a real... Oh my gosh. Yes. It's a real Mediterranean blue. You know the kind you see on the Greek islands where they paint the roofs and some of the churches and that in this beautiful blue. You know, the blue and white. Lovely. Gorgeous colour there. And as you can see, I just did wipe it over on the thumb, on the glove. just to see exactly how deeply pigmented. Oh my goodness me. Kermit, eat your heart out. Although this is probably a bit light actually, lighter than Kermit. A real neon fluorescent green. There we go. Very, very bright, very neon, these colours. Or some of these colours, certainly. Look at that. Definitely getting 80s, 90s disco vibes. Well, probably 90s, I would have said, but yeah. Look at that. Look at that on the stick. It's gorgeous. And then just a little bit on my glove. Gonna rub it in so you can just see what it's like. Fantastic. Really, really can't wait to use these. Hot pink, if ever I said so. Definitely a hot pink colour. Definitely a hot pink colour. Here we go, struggling to try and open it again. This is just me, by the way. They are straightforward to open. It's just because I've got the gloves on. Here we go, Laura. You can do it. There we are. And we're in. There we go. I would love this colour mixed with just clear resin. So mixed up so you've got this beautiful hot pink colour. And then mixed in with some resin and in a little round drop on the end of just a long gold bar as an earring. I'd like it in the pink. I'd like it in the green. I'd like it in the blue. Look at that pink. That is gorgeous. Maybe at some point in the future, in the near future, we might have a go at making some earrings. Let us know in the comments if you feel like, you know, that would be a good idea. If you'd like to see us do something like that. We used to make earrings and necklaces and bracelets a long time ago, and then stopped for a while. And now we only do it for family, immediate family, for presents and things like that. But recently started incorporating resin into them, and they are stunning. Look at this real, wow, orange on fire. That is on fire. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that with a little bit of white and the pink. Oh my gosh, and a little bit of green. Oh, and maybe some of this yellow in a marble. Yeah, my mind is just running away with me with ideas of what we could do. The bangles that we've made recently. If you've not seen our video about bangles, what to use them for, if you don't want to have them as bangles, why not check back to our playlist and check out. We've got a whole load of how-to videos there that might give you some inspiration. Look at this yellow. A real neon glow of yellow. Lovely. Really, really lovely. Right. This is the pièce de résistance. This is the mould. Here we come. Dun 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 dun. It's like the Jaws theme. Look at this. It's massive. Absolutely massive. I'm zooming out a bit so you can get the full effect. Look at that. Now, I think this, yeah. I mean, look at it. Fantastic construction. Really good supportive grid bars there. Look, 2 hand widths, and I haven't got small hands. So it's going to be quite big, indeed. Hence why, you know, it's a wall decor art. But look how shiny that is. The surface can be really glossy. All the lovely detail there, the wave-like detail from its tentacles, I think it is, doesn't it? It doesn't have legs, that's tentacles. But that is going to make an absolutely stunning piece. Whether you use what's in this kit here, so this is the kit in its entirety, or if you decide to go with more of a beach theme, so you have the sea, the waves, the shells, the sand, that sort of thing, the world's your oyster, really, or the world's your jellyfish, should I say. But this, I can't wait to use it. We can't wait to take part in her one-to-one training session. This is the end shot now. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing video. Give us a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. Join us in the live premiere if you can. If you have done, thanks ever so much, and we'll see you again soon. Bye bye.